Hey guys, it's 10:07:58 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Do the participants first. Count 4 times. Nice and quick. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yoink. That one. There. Don't need that anymore. Teams now. 7 times. Still not bad. Not 12, which is good. I hate 12. It's too many rolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Yoink. And then complete. Teams are Blair with the Bulls, Nick Watson Nets, Lane with the Jazz, Chris Stewart Pistons, Lane with the Wizards, Jason Arrow with the Hawks, Brendan Magic, Stretch Cavs, Ash Peters Lakers, Stretch Suns, Matt White Wolves, Sean Thon Warriors, Seb with the Kings, Aaron Spence Mavericks, Tarek with the Bucks, Adam Bartley Rockets, Jesse with the Pacers, Michael Paul Clippers, Stretch with the Knicks, Jason Carter Blazers, Stretch with the Pelicans, Stretch, Adam Climbers Grizz, Ken Myers Spurs, Alex Stewart Nuggets, Ken Myers Hornets, Alex Stewart Thunder, Chris Haylock Heat, Brendan Sixers, Bartley Celtics, and Andrew with the Raptors. Yeah. That's the teams. 10:09:58.